Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
First, you must choose WhatsApp Business API or a third-party provider like Twilio. Next, register one phone number dedicated to the bot and verify it in Facebook Business Manager. You will need a verified business account and a display name for messages. Prepare a secure webhook URL and hosting with reliable 24/7 uptime to receive incoming messages. Decide on message templates and opt-in methods before coding. Gather API keys, a server IP, and start by creating API credentials in your provider dashboard and securing them. Configure the webhook URL to accept JSON and verify signatures for each request. Deploy your bot code to hosting that supports HTTPS and WebSocket connections if needed. Map incoming messages to intents and actions using a simple routing table or NLP engine. Configure approved message templates for notifications and quick replies. Test everything using a sandbox or staging number to ensure templates and webhook retries work correctly. Open your WhatsApp group and add the bot phone number like a normal contact. Use a group invite link or QR code to add the bot in seconds when admins allow that method. Promote the bot to admin if it must change group settings or manage members. Implement command prefixes and / commands to trigger bot actions and responses. Add moderation features like mute, kick, and rate limits to avoid spam. Provide opt-out keywords and privacy notices so members understand data use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.